Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Facebook notifications and stop getting alerts from a specific post on your page, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, managing your notifications has never been easier. Here's how you can quickly disable notifications for a particular post using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook just like you normally would. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser and heading to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. You'll land on your homepage, where all your recent activity and posts are visible. Next, it's time to find the post from your page that's flooding you with notifications. Scroll through your feed or navigate directly to your page to locate the specific post that's causing all those alerts. This could be a post you created or something that's just getting a lot of engagement. Once you've found the post, take a look at the top right corner of it. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontally aligned dots. This is the options menu for that post. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with several choices related to the post. Now, from the list of options, look for and select Turn off notifications for this post. The moment you click this, Facebook will stop sending you notifications whenever someone reacts, comments, or interacts with that particular post. That's all there is to it. You'll still be able to see the post and interact with it whenever you like, but you won't receive any more notifications for new activity on that post. This is especially helpful if you're managing a page that gets a lot of attention and you want to keep your notifications relevant and your feed distraction-free. If you ever change your mind and want to receive notifications for that post again, you can repeat these steps and toggle the notifications back on. Take control of your Facebook experience, quieter, more focused, and just the alerts that matter to you. Thanks for tuning in.